Hi friends, good evening. Today I put a message saying that I'll put a video on BPCL, PHEL, which looks very interesting. So I'll share the screen. First we will go to the number game, and then we'll go to the chart, and we will see how PHL looks like. Okay. So first we'll go to the number game. See, based on the number game, see, this is the important date. I think this date I have already published in our group, which is January 4th, and the high made was 40.85, and the low made was 38.75. But when we bought here, the stop loss got hit. Okay, and the first, based on the number, it should do 56. Okay, and today it closed at 48.3. It should move above 56. Above 56, the new target will emerge. Okay, and one more thing I want to show you. Tomorrow is a big date for Bank of Baroda, which is 28th tomorrow. So watch out for Bank of Baroda. I'll put a video on this because something is very interesting in Bank of Baroda also. Because here the target, it says 97 if it holds 61. Okay, and today it closed at 65.3. Okay, so I'll put a video on Bank of Baroda also. So now we will go to the chart, and then we will see how BHL looks. Okay, so now we'll go to the chart, and before that I want to show you one important date. uh, See, the two important dates for BHEL are November 12th and Wednesday, April 14th. These two are very important dates. Now I'll go to the, you just remember these two dates, which is November 12th and 2020, and Wednesday, April 14th, 2021, which happened 14 days before, roughly around 12 days before from here. Okay, so we will see that also. Now I will share the screen, chart screen. Okay, so first, okay, this is based on Ichimoku. First, on a day candle, yes, it will face, for the first time it is moving inside baseline, and here it faced a lot of resistance. Okay, there is a big candle here, and conversion line is on the top. So yes, there will be some resistance, but one thing is, first, it is above 200-day SMA, which is 38. And second thing, the baseline, the conversion line is coming below. And today it closed exactly at the baseline resistance, which is 48.3. This is based on daily BHL. Okay, once it is above 50, I think it will be free to go, but this lagging span has to move. Okay, we call it as Chiku. The Chiku has to move above this hindrance, then it is free to go. Okay, so now we will go and check on a weekly basis. On a weekly, it is first out of the cloud, and lagging span is out of the cloud. So there is no hindrance as of now. In case if it holds for another 3 days, if it holds above this cloud. And if you go to monthly, so the monthly, it has to close above this number, which is 48.6. So we have another 2 days to go, 3 days to go. So if it close above 48.6, it is well and good, because here the baseline has given a support and it is closing above baseline. Here conversion line is already given a support and it is closing above baseline after very long time. If you take this happened in April 2018, after that first time it is coming above. Okay, after a very long time it is coming above. So that's why I say this looks very interesting, and the target also looks very interesting in BHL. Okay, this is purely based on Ichimoku. Okay, so now then we will go to Pitchfork. Yeah, if you see on the top angle, these are the angle based on 45 degree. So if you take from the top, which it made on 300, I think in November 2007, it made 390, and see exact that resistance came here, and I've drawn everything based on this high also and this high also. Okay, so now first thing, it is above the median line, which is this dotted line. Okay, and based on this angle, okay, it is above this angle, first thing. So once it is above this angle, it went and made a resistance here and then it fell. But again, this area, it's giving phenomenal support. If you take the area, the low of this is 42.90 and the high of this is 44. So you, as of now, you can keep a stop loss of 42.95, which is 43 on a closing basis. This is first one. Okay, and in the down, this median line is also giving an amazing support. Okay, this is based on pitchfork and it is above the angle, which is also very good, and it is above this rectangle, which is giving a support. So the possibility is roughly around maybe I can minimize this. Okay, so the roughly around 63 level it is showing. Okay, it can touch 63. As of today, it closed at 48.3, and this is on a bigger picture. If you take, see, if I draw a trend line from here to here, and today it closed above the trend line. Okay, and there's a cup and handle pattern is forming here. Okay, there's a big cup handle forming here. So close above again 48.6, and any close above 50, yeah, this guy is good to go, and the target is 101 based on the cup size. The target is 101, which is 100% appreciation from here. Okay, and if you go to daily, this daily also, see, daily we had a two important date which I already mentioned in that dates column. See, the first is 4th Jan. Okay, so 4th Jan I was 40.85, and this is where our stop loss got hit, and now again it is moved above 40.85, and the next important date was April 15th. Okay, because April 14th is holiday, so this April 15th we need to take. So April 15th high was 47.15 and the low was 45. Okay, so today it closed above this guy. So traders can take a stop loss of 45 on a closing basis, and then they can ride this momentum. Okay, so based on this trend line, the target it says is 67.8. Okay, this is 67.8, but the stop loss is 43 on a closing basis. This is also exactly matching the weekly number also. So this is on a daily basis. Yes, 43 is a stop loss, and you can ride this stock till 67.8, and there is one hindrance at 52. So we need to watch out for that number. Anyway, I'll update in the due course. So based on trend line also, yes, it is giving amazing support in the downside, and this date is also giving phenomenal support, and it closed above today. Okay, and next, yes, apart from cup and handle, there is one more head and shoulder pattern here, and it is came all the way here, and then it is again taking a support. See, if you draw this head and shoulder, it went above, came down, taking a support in this line, and from there it is moving up. Based on this, the target is 58. Okay, so again it is 10 rupees from here, which is you can take the percentage term also. And the last one is this one cup and handle pattern with head and shoulder pattern. uh, Looks very good on the chart, and here it says the target is 99. Okay, once above 56.5, which is this cup, here 56.5, this guy can do 99. So the stop loss is 43 level. This is the right shoulder low. You can keep it as 43 as a stop loss, and you can ride the stock. Even position also you can take a buy. Let's see how it goes. But according to me, this looks very, very interesting. So watch out for this counter. I entered today. Let's see what happens. And Bank of Baroda, I'll put a video tomorrow because that is also looking very attractive. Any close above 66, any close above 66, I think that guy can do at least 90. Okay, so let's watch. Today I was expecting downside gap down based on previous working, but I failed today. It actually moved on the opposite side. Anyway, now market will teach us every day. Let's hope for the best. So thanks a lot for watching this video. In case if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and write your comments also so that I can improve in my next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.